Flowers Foods' newest state-of-the-art bakery is located in Newton, about 50 miles northwest of Charlotte in the rolling hills of North Carolina's Piedmont region. The bakery produces baked foods for other Flowers companies that distribute them within a 450-mile radius from Newton into Maryland, Georgia, Tennessee, and Ohio. The Newton Bakery is strategically located to supply new customers as Flowers expands its market northward. Touring Flowers Bakery Company of Newton offers visitors the chance to see some of the most highly advanced baking equipment in operation today. This 215,000 square foot bakery was built for speed and efficiency and is designed to produce breads and buns of consistent high quality. Despite the bakery's size, it has fewer than 100 employees. Production technicians skillfully handle highly automated computerized equipment, monitor key processes, and ensure quality standards are met. Outside companies provide staff for the sanitation, wrapping, and shipping areas. The bakery emphasizes teamwork, and each department works closely together to ensure a smooth operation. Flowers acquired the Newton property and building in October 2005 and began work on the bakery in January 2006. The bakery opened with one bun line in June 2006. Flowers added a bread line, which began operating in March 2007. Newton represents the fastest and smoothest bakery startup in Flowers history. Let's take a closer look at Flowers Baking Company of Newton. This bakery has a high-speed bun line that can produce 60,000 hamburger and hot dog buns per hour. The process begins in the ingredient area. An automated ingredient handling system accurately measures all dry ingredients, eliminating manual labor and ensuring consistent quality. Measured ingredients are automatically pumped into a mixer that can hold up to 3,200 pounds of dough, saving time and labor. After the dough is mixed, it travels through a metal detector before it is cut into pieces, weighed, rounded, dusted with flour, and put into pans. The pans move along a conveyor to the proof box, where the dough rises, and then to the oven. Pans travel 674 feet inside the oven as they bake. Out of the oven, equipment removes the buns from the pans. The buns then move to an overhead conveyor where they cool to the perfect temperature for slicing. The Newton Bakery's bun line is Flowers' only one to have a completely automated system to store and retrieve bun pans, another money-saving investment. After a second pass through a metal detector and a quality check, automated baggers package the buns, which are then placed into trays before heading to shipping. The Newton Bakery produces buns that are sold under the Bunny and White Wheat brands as well as to food service customers. On the other side of the bakery is a high-speed bread line that can produce more than 10,000 loaves of variety, specialty, and white breads per hour. On the bread line, ingredients are automatically mixed to exact specifications and then measured into two large-capacity mixers. The dough moves through a metal detector and is cut, weighed, molded, and then dropped into pans. The pans move to the proofer where the bread rises and then onto the oven. Leaving the oven, the bread is removed from the pans and cools on an overhead conveyor. Then it's on to the second metal detector before heading to the automated baggers. The Newton bread line has 4 bagging stations with efficient robotic tray loaders that place the bread into Flowers' patented basket trays for shipping. An in-floor conveyor at the end of both the bread and bun lines moves stacks of product to the shipping area. Like the bun line, the bread line features equipment that automatically loads and unloads pans and lids. The Newton Bakery produces a variety of nature's own bread, including double fiber wheat, sugar-free, 100% whole wheat, and white wheat. It also bakes white bread sold under the Bunny, Betsy Ross, Mary Jane, and store brands. The Newton Bakery represents the latest and best in high-tech baking. A completely integrated computer system using advanced programmable logic controls that operates equipment. An internal engineering system that provides diagnostic support and improved productivity. 2 backup diesel generators to keep the lines running during power outages, and an outstanding team of experienced bakery technicians, managers, and associates. With its investment in Newton, Flowers continues its tradition of operating the country's most efficient bakeries, meeting the growing demand for Flowers' fresh quality baked foods in new and existing markets.